Aaron, wake up, mate.
Oh, sorry.
Come on. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. I'm just studying my perineum.
Oh, you're going to say balls, weren't you? I think you just on your hamstring, right?
Oh, yeah. I was struggling to get my leg up to get my butthole in the sun. So
That's a problem.
yeah, so I need you to help me out.
All right, let's go. Come in here. I've got my table right outside.
Oh, you've already got the table set up.
Yeah, just you, mate.
You know.
Oh, well,
Sorry, man. Helping out.
Aaron just did his hamstring. We're playing some basketball.
I've done everything today.
Everything.
I'm freaking,
Done his foot.
my toes come off. My hamstring's off the bone as well. Oh,
Do you have a mic?
yeah, right here. Ah.
All right, sick. I'm going to put this one on my hat. Hopefully it hears me.
Thanks,
The
Ninja.
fluffer.
Oh, my goodness.
Just a helper.
Which hamstring did you do?
And Ninja, you got the wrong. It's not the whole back. It's hamstring.
Lower back.
It was my right hamstring.
Right one.
That's this one.
Whereabouts?
Good thing you got a fluffer, mate.
Hey, quiet after today.
Right one. That's this one.
Yeah.
Right.
The outside or inside? Whereabouts?
Down the guts, I reckon. What?
Remember when
the
Barry
barrel.
from the bush treated your hamstring? Matty?
Good
Bring him
times.
back.
Oh, which one is it, mate? Which
Oh
one?
my God.
You don't even know which one it was.
Hey, you love your own
Gotta know
jokes.
your own body. Gotta know your own body. No, rule number one.
No one knows your body like you know your own body.
You gotta learn, Matthew.
Anyway, while these guys are fucking talking, bleep that. Sorry. I'm gonna be treating Aaron's hamstring, just warming it up. It's got some long legs.
Do you reckon you're going to push the blood out of my big toe?
Wait, is it this? Oh, is this foot as well?
Yeah, I've had a mare on my right side.
So he gashed it pretty hard. Aaron's got a proper gash now.
A proper one.
It's gonna be YouTube on Patreon. But yeah, anyway, so it's pretty hot, so don't really have to use much wax. I'm going kind of medium pressure because I don't know if it's too much for Aaron or not.
No, you're good, man. I'm fine. My toes
It's his toes.
overridden my hamstring,
Mate.
so I've forgotten about my hammy.
It's priority now.
My toe had its own hat installed.
You didn't even know what happened till like, boys, look at this, and then you just flicked up this whole.
I was freaking
Extra
out
toe.
because I knew I'd done myself a mischief. It was
Yeah.
pretty.
Yeah, pretty manky. In rock climbing or ninja, we do our hands a lot. Like we rip the skin here, so can kind of relate. But I feel like Aaron did a big bit of skin there.
So yeah, was that comparable to a normal injury? Like what? How long am I going to be in trouble for here? Can I sprint tonight, or is that just going to make blood just come?
You can with the skin on it, for sure. Once you take the skin off, you're stuffed.
Really?
Yeah, you need to dry it out with that tea bag.
Get some tea bags, yeah.
So what's the teabag situation?
You want to have the wine?
No, you got it, you got it.
I think the tea bag soaks it up, right? And you I think you bandage it over it and just let it do its thing. So then it can dry up and then.
Like black tea, like Dilmah.
Yeah, you got to
Yeah.
use the tea bag and then let it dry out a bit and then wrap it around in that.
Really?
Morning, it becomes like shriveled up, wink. Yeah,
Oh, like a prune.
prune, and then it's good to go because it's got that layer of less
Yeah.
flesh.
Really?
Prune, pretty much. Right up.
So you'd recommend tonight doing that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Even fresh?
fresh is better.
Just do it. Yeah.
And overnight, you reckon?
Yeah.
Overnight.
Around in there. You'll dry up the tea bag with your skin.
So you put the tea bag on top of the flappy,
Yep.
and then you put Band-Aid over the top of that?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
Keep it on.
The thicker your skin, the more you're gonna rip, and obviously your feet are so like caveman, like they're so thick with the skin and all your cracks and stuff. So I reckon that's why you had a big one.
Silly.
That's why you got to probably like Puma stone it.
We've got live footage of it too, don't we, Leo?
Yeah,
Gosh.
This video started off as like so much energy, like Aaron, get your ass out of that fucking sun, and now I was like, oh shit. Is your leg twitching?
This is good, man. It's something. I think I did pull my hammy.
That's weird.
Yeah, this long leg is twitching. Betty,
Where's it twitching?
I think the whole thing.
Feels good, Matty.
Yeah, just doing the
Good at this caper.
just getting different hamstring muscles, getting different angles.
Elbow or palm?
Palm, chicken palmer.
Mrs. Palmer.
Yep. All right, I'm the host. I need to talk more. Right, so we got some hats, we got some merch, right?
Chicken Parma's a good one.
Yeah.
Chicken Parma.
Palmer or palmy? Classic Aussie banter. That doesn't mean
It's a
anything.
Parma. What about Tasmania? What was it in Tassie?
Parma.
Parma.
Yeah,
Yeah, New South Wales and Queenslanders are pretty passionate about palmy.
it's true.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're palmy.
They're absolute shit over it.
But like, I know it's spelt Parmigiana, but it's Parmigiana, isn't it? It's a Parma.
When you say it,
It's not
yeah.
a Palmy.
Yeah, Parmigiana. What's the comparisons as well? Because Aussies say at the end of things to nickname it, right? So,
Or Robbo or Y.
like you never use Y, do you? Or you do? Fuck, I don't know. That was a terrible example then.
Robbie, Matty. Your name's Matty.
That's right, mate. Yeah, good one.
There you go. Matto. Not
Matto. Matter.
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 Cool and gatter.
Matty.
Very good in here, Matthew.
Matthew.
Good biblical name, Matthew.
Yeah, from the Bible.
What did Matt get up to in the Bible? Who was he written?
Fuck. Lucky you don't have a mic, eh? Go on.
He was a disciple, wasn't he?
Disciple.
He was a disciple. I don't know what he got up to. What does the book of Matthew talk about? There'll be someone in our audience that could tell us. I was Moses' brother.
Yeah, really?
I think so, yeah.
Moses parted the sea, yeah?
Yeah.
The sea. I get it.
Brought the Bible.
You're cool.
This is our best video ever. Oh, how good is it in the sun?
Yeah, best.
Yeah, sun's good. It's healing. Healing all our shit.
Yeah.
Heal your toe.
Yeah, it's one of those. The toe is just one of those ones where you just like, you know, it's going to be a pain for a few days, maybe a week, and it's just like, oh, why did you do that?
I feel like I've whacked my toe pretty hard sometimes and never have done anything like that.
It was a proper.
Yeah,
I just went, "Doom," and it.
because
Yeah.
the ground here is uneven, you don't expect it to be higher.
Yeah, I was being a bloody pelican too, though.
Yeah. Like, I tried to get that ball from you guys. Like, guys, you gotta
I
stop.
know.
Something's gonna go wrong.
You
I thought the
knew.
ball's gonna go into the window or something, but turns out you gashed your foot. Yeah, I've noticed with Aaron's hamstring, it's doing these weird kind of spasms where the whole leg just kind of shakes, which is pretty cool.
I can't even feel that. Really?
Yeah. So no sprinting tonight, hey?
Oh, spewing. I was really looking forward to getting back. I missed last week.
Yeah. The best time to do sprints I find is when it's sunny.
Yeah.
You just kind of you feel good. You're sweating. You feel like you're putting in a good shift and you run with the boys.
Do you reckon I could? Or would it be
Yeah,
too...
try it and then wrap it up.
Tighter.
Ugh. Big toe is so pivotal. I just feel like it would hurt.
It's kind of more on the end though, isn't it? It's cut underneath the toenail rather than the...
Yeah, it's not like it's
underneath
it's not like it's going to be as bad as the
there than it is there.
Yeah, it's not like it's like the what do you call those things that we get?
The
Skin tag.
grass. Yeah, true. They're always at the bottom of it. Oof.
Yeah. Far out, Matty. There's something good there, isn't it, bro?
It's okay. Like, it's not too much for your recent
No,
contusion.
it's good. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I feel it.
Oh, Matty.
Full dose.
So your right elbow or your left elbow?
Right.
Right. Shiitake mushrooms.
Soon we'll have remember the sprints last year when it was us tanned boys versus the white boys? It was because you, me, Leombe, and a couple others.
Those were ghosts.
We're just, yeah, definitely not ghosts. We're just black, and then Yeah, Marcus. Who else part of your white crew? The not tan crew.
You get pretty dark in the summer
yeah,
though,
dark,
Ninja. Yeah.
Tasmanian skin.
Oh, Matty. Oh.
I suppose it's Jace is the main white one.
Oh yeah,
goes-
Jace.
Yeah, yeah.
Darcy has a crack. He tries to get tan, doesn't he?
Man, Das looks like he should have so much hair on his body, but just doesn't.
Yeah, get rid of it.
You don't reckon he does it? I don't understand.
Clippers his arms, doesn't he?
Just one.
Just the cool
Totally
one.
Gotta wax my legs again. Nah.
When you getting that done, Matty?
It's not worth it.
Hurts too much?
Manscaping the rest just becomes awkward. I just leave it.
Are you going to clip it back?
Nah. But chest hair, like hair around the nipples and everything, maybe a bit of a,
Trim?
Yeah. Comes a bit crazy nowadays. But it can't be a full wax because then it looks like a little boy. I don't know, it looks like a kid. I don't know, but a kid with muscles, you know. Doesn't look right.
It's good there, Matty.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a bit more of the middle hamstring lines on the sitting bone, on the ischial tube. Oof. Oh, I've got a fly on my ankle.
You going?
It's alright.
Oh, that feels good.
Fluffer.
Taking that up there, Matty. That
Higher?
feels so good. Yeah. Feels like you're going right up into the gold.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so freaking good. That is money.
Can you play some Finska?
Oh,
Finska on the
Finska's gonna be
Patreon.
good.
Watch us play some Finska. I bought some spike ball as well.
That is so good.
Yep. Up or down? Whatever's going on now.
Yeah, keep going up, I reckon.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Oh my Billie Jean.
Shit, Ducky.
This towel's doing great.
Oh, it's good. It's good. Very good.
Hot, hot.
An old video we did.
Yeah, I don't even know. It's in the back of my head. Over the years,
That's
working here
so
for 4
good.
years. Hot, hot.
Hot, hot, hot.
Our 50k subscriber special video has like over 100,000 views.
How good's that?
I remember when it first came out, it probably had like 5,000.
I
And
know.
then Marcus was like, oh, could have done better, should have done better. I was like,
Buddy,
yeah, not bad.
good edit.
That was such a funny edit.
We didn't do a 100k subscriber special.
No, wasn't it the printer video?
150's coming up.
150's coming up, says Marcus.
Was the 100k the printer video?
Nah. I think it was meant to be.
It was meant to be, wasn't it?
Yeah. Alright. Sync out.
He fixed me.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh.
Thank you. This is following a pec treatment from Marcus, so that's why I could help Aaron paint it forward.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for
Really
watching.
appreciate it.
Hopefully Aaron can sprint later. If not, then we'll probably do another video next week. Alright. Cool.
Thanks,
Catch
Matty.
up.
Oh, well done.